This is our CNC door lock machine, mainly used in drilling and slotting for the double-sided of wooden doors, door frames, door fans, etc. With 3 4.5Q and 1 2.2Q. Air cooling principal spindle with powerful functions. Dust-free processing equipped with follow-out, dust cover and high-power vacuum cleaner. Machine performance is stable, using linear guide rail and slider. Movable press cylinder and door panel platform. Customized operation interface is simple and easy. High machining accuracy, precise positioning of holes and slots. Door panel platform suit for lengths from 300mm to 2800mm. The lock body hole, handle hole and mounting hole are processed in one time. All kinds of complex lock type in one machine. Simple operation, high machining precision, fast production efficiency. Let me show you the final result.